Okay, it's 5:14 on Sunday afternoon, and we're going to go to Hollywood Studios. Hollywood Studios Toll Plaza. That's where we want to go because we're going to drive in. We'll see it from Flamingo Crossings. We'll see what the drive's like. What's it say? 16 minutes? Sounds about right. How did we drop 5 minutes? I don't know. Traffic must have changed. Not much traffic going this way. Starting to build up a little bit on the coming back other direction. So Hollywood Studios, like any of the parks, during the summer, drive times can go pretty easily. When you have peak seasons, so when school gets out, the very end of May, when you have Christmas and Thanksgiving and definitely Halloween, I mean, drive times can double easily. And if I were to come a little bit later, when everybody's coming into Disney Springs, it can get pretty thick in this direction. Epcot, Magic Kingdom, Disney Springs to the left. That can get a little busy to see here the line. It's only because the two left lanes are very short. Space up there is just, yeah. Yeah, there's no one in. The line's backed up, but two empty lanes. A lot of people trying to go left. So only Hollywood and Animal Kingdom are to the right. Animal Kingdom closes at 6. So this is just a lighter traffic kind of way. Everybody's trying to go to Disney Springs to the left as you get to this time, coming from the resorts, coming back from Animal Kingdom. You can go to Hollywood Studios to the left there also, but to the right is best.
Merge onto Osceola Parkway.
Osceola Parkway, baby, here we come. You're right. 2.2 miles.
Destination will be on the right.
Yes, ma'am. There it is. The Studios of Hollywood.
Your destination's on the right.
Hello. How you doing? Thanks. Alright, so I'm an annual pass holder, so I don't have to pay for parking. If you're not, it's $35. $35 to park. But that's the entrance right up there. Yeah, that's the entrance. And it's not that far. Alright, later. There you go. Didn't even look. It wasn't long. I'll look right now. It's the time. 5:28. A little bit before that, so good drive. Don't book along, go to stopguessing. DDadBudget.com.